I'm going to introduce you to our project called DalleDress, Better Blockies Through Science. My name's Jay Rush from True Blocks, and I'm here with Mike again. The fundamental idea is that we're going to take an Ethereum address, any Ethereum address, and generate a unique image associated directly with that address. Mike's going to start with a short demo showing you a Farcaster frames application that we built this weekend. So just to show you how it works, basically we start with an address and we go through a series of steps and we end up with an image. The first step is to chop the address into 15 pieces, and we have 15 associated databases that are source controlled so that given a particular address we get exactly the same result each time. And we take the bytes and we use the bytes to select records from the databases, and given those records we build a Go language data structure that contains each of these records. This is a unique data structure for every address, and it's identically the same data structure every time we run the process. We then use a prompt, and we use Golang's templating to fill in the data for the prompt, and we get a prompt for the AI, and we send that off to DALL-E. And that generates the image, and then we store the image and return it back to the application. So, and each time a user goes to that address, each time the user requests that address, they get the identical image. So, for example, this address creates this image, a bizarrely uncomfortable vaginalis. Here we get a morally angry trichinolia, whatever that is. Here we get a cheesed off monkey underwater. Here we get a police detective. Here we get an Indo-Chinese tiger wiggling, and so forth. These images we think are really interesting, very memorable, and could eventually one day be used as perhaps an identicon. So here's an apple moth in a Persian calligraphy. So this weekend we worked on building a frames application for Farcaster, working on minting these as NFTs, and in the future we hope that we can extend it to maybe add animations or use it in some of the POAPs that we see. I think it could be memorable. So again, my name is Thomas Rush, and I'm here with Mike Genn, and thanks for your time.
Cool.